Hello everyone, welcome to our new Codatta Platform. Today we would walk through the process of doing submission on Codatta Platform. After clicking on Start in Crypto module, you will be able to see our demos on how to do validation, submission, and professional submission. Make sure to check those out if this is your first time visiting our platform. Today we will focus on submission here to submit third-party data. Let's use Uniswap as the data source for submission. This is the page where all transactions on Uniswap can be found. Let's choose this one. From here it opens up a page from Etherscan that has all the detailed info of this address, including transaction hash, transaction action, and the addresses involved in this transaction. For this address, the network is Ethereum, and copy and paste address here. Then the category of this address will be DEX, or decentralized exchange. You will also find the transaction hash on Etherscan and then add a brief description of this transaction, such as how much crypto was swapped and where the address is located at. Then add the screenshots you took earlier and paste Uniswap's link over here. From the History tab, you will see the submissions you have completed before and the status of each one. Thank you for watching this demo. See you next time.